Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you guys my first fall video for this year. There are so many new fall decor items at Dollar Tree and I found some amazing things that you won't believe are from Dollar Tree. Things are going pretty fast, so I wanted to get this video out for you guys as soon as possible. That way you can get your hands on some of these great finds. I also wanted to mention that I've been changing things up in my home and I'll be posting a lot of new videos this month so you can see what I've been up to. This video is sponsored by ShopTagger. If you don't know what ShopTagger is, it's a web and mobile app that notifies you via push notifications when an item you have been wanting goes on sale or comes back in stock. To download ShopTagger, click Get ShopTagger, add to Chrome, add extension, and that's it. I have used ShopTagger for over 3 years now and honestly it's my favorite shopping app, you guys. It helps me save money and I don't have to keep checking online stores for my favorite items to be on sale. There are thousands of stores you can shop from and I'm going to show you how I saved my bar stools into my ShopTagger cart. On the right side you'll see the ShopTagger button. You can get notified when there's a price change and then list the item into a category. I really like this feature as well because it helps me to stay organized with my shopping and I can create any list. Here are some of the things that I've saved in my ShopTagger cart, and when you're ready to make a purchase, all you do is click on the item that you want and it'll take you to the store that you're purchasing the item from. When you add it to the cart, ShopTagger will scan the web for any additional coupons to help you save even more money. They will make sure you have the best deal out there and do the work for you. I will leave the link to download ShopTagger in the description box, and if you haven't signed up with them already, I highly recommend you do, you guys. It's totally free, so it's definitely a win-win. It's been a while since I've been at Dollar Tree and the day that I come back everything is really packed, so of course you can imagine how excited I was. One of my favorite finds from this trip was the thankful sign. I used white paint that I bought from Walmart for $1 and some change and used a Dollar Tree brush to paint the thankful sign. I painted both sides then added glitter to finish it off. You can use hairspray or spray adhesive to avoid fallout. Here's how it turned out. I really like how easy and quick this DIY was to make and it really looks like it was store-bought. This is definitely one of my favorite finds from Dollar Tree. For the second DIY, you'll need a wreath ring and 6 garland pieces. After wrapping the garland, take both ends of the garlands and tie them to the back of the wreath ring and make a double knot. For the big open spaces, hot glue some of the leaves to hide the gaps. This is the spray paint I used to cover the yellow leaves. For the third DIY, you'll need this diamond confetti from Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99, but I used a 40% off coupon. These metal words are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the one that says Harvest. This Hello Fall pumpkin sign is from Dollar Tree as well, and although it's really cute the way it is, I'm just going to give it a little glam makeover. This is the paint I used from Walmart, and I started off by taking the bow off the pumpkin. Make sure to save that aside and paint it white so you can stick it back on. Here's my updated pumpkin sign. I think it looks super cute, and I really like the metal harvest in the middle of the pumpkin. You can place little decor items like this anywhere in your home, whether it's on your entryway table, bathroom counter, bedroom, or living room like I have it here. For the last DIY, you will need 4 pieces of foam board and 4 framed mirrors. Starting off, I'm placing 2 of the mirrors on top without the frames, and I'm using a permanent marker to trace the mirrors on the foam board. I left a little gap between the mirrors because that's where I'm going to place the rhinestone wrap. I then traced a single mirror twice for the sides of the mirrored box I'm going to make. Now that the box is glued, I'm going to add more glue where I connected the pieces together. Next, I'm adding hot glue on top of the foam board to apply the mirrors. I lost footage for the bottom base of the mirrored box, but all I did was hot glue 2 pieces of foam board and put the mirrored box on top. Then I used a permanent marker to trace the inside of the box, and I cut the bottom base out. I had this rhinestone placemat that I decided to cut up into strips to add around the box. These were my all-time favorite purchase at Dollar Tree for fall this year. They're velvet pumpkins and are so cute. I couldn't believe these were all here and nobody picked them up, you guys. The pumpkins are already so cute in my eyes that all I wanted to do was add Mod Podge to the stems and cover them with glitter. I want to give a huge thank you to everyone that has shown so much love and support to my channel throughout these years I've been on YouTube. We are now past 400,000 subscribers and my heart is so full. I'm so humbled and very grateful that you take the time out of your day to watch my videos and spend time with me. I appreciate each message, comment, like, sharing my videos, and most of all, hearing that it brings a smile to your face. That truly is the most rewarding feeling and motivates me to keep doing what I love to do. It's a huge blessing, and I encourage you to find what you're passionate about and give it your all. You never know where it could lead you. I'll be back with another video very soon, and don't forget to download Shop Tagger. The link is in my description box. Have an amazing day, and take care.